Hey friends, we're at my mother-in-law's house and she has this space over here in her TV area that we thought would be a perfect area to try out this walking treadmill. Now, as you can see, it's made by Redliro and it basically is really small. It has a very slim profile and it breaks down into a manner that allows you to store it very easily under a bed or against a wall. So in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how this works. We're going to give it a quick review demo. And we're also going to show you why it's a really nice addition to someplace like a TV room so you can get some exercise while you're watching your favorite shows. Now you can again see just how slim of a profile this is. As I mentioned before, when this is collapsed down, it can easily store underneath a bed or behind a door. Again, once you lay it flat against a wall, it really doesn't take up a whole lot of space like one of those bigger treadmills do. Now you can see it has an extension cord that it comes with, plugs in the back. There's a power button that you turn on, and then you have a nice big digital display to watch. You also have this nice little handlebar that comes up and over and allows you to place a cell phone or an iPad that you can actually watch directly on the handrest here. And again, having that stability handrest is really nice for those that want to use this, but again, may have a little bit of walking stability issues. And so having this as kind of a centering point to grab onto is a really nice feature. Now you have all sorts of controls that are up here on the handlebar, and you also have this little safety mechanism. Now this is a magnet, and as you can see, once I take it off, the treadmill will not work. So this is a safety feature that does have to be in place. This would clip to a shirt or something. And basically what it does is if you get pulled off of this treadmill, it will pull this with it and automatically shut down the device. So that is a really nice safety feature that you don't find on some of the other treadmills that we've tested. Now the treadmill does actually come with a remote as well that offers the same functionality as these buttons here. Now I'll step on the treadmill and we'll give it a quick test here. So basically you can see you have your main digital display which will turn on and be available once all the safety mechanisms are in place. We can then come over here to our buttons and I'm just going to hit the little play button, and as you can see it counts down from 3 and we'll start moving. Now basically we are going to get a timer that shows us how long we've been going for. We're going to get a little distance measure that's over here on the right. And we're also going to get a speed counter. As you can see, I'm on 0.5. So what I can do to adjust the speed is I can come over here and I can actually hit this plus button, and let's actually go up to a 1.5. And as you can see, I'm now moving at a decent clip. This is a really nice relaxed pace. Again, you can watch your TV and movies like this and just get some nice movement instead of being stuck on the couch. If you want to go slower, we can actually hit this down button. And if you want to stop altogether, well, we have that. Now this can get up to a fairly fast pace. I'll go ahead and just push this quite a few times. It goes up to 7.5, but honestly, right here at about 5.5, I am moving fairly decent. In fact, if I move this up any more, I'd probably be at a light jog. Okay, so we're going to try one more test here, and that is the emergency stopper. Now you really do need to clip this somewhere where it's going to hold. You can see I have this around the bottom of my shirt. Don't try clipping this to your fabric like this. It tends to slip off very easily. You want it somewhere where it's going to hold. So again, what I'm going to do is just walk directly off the back of this. Let's see if we can pull out that stopper. Okay, as you can see, immediately the treadmill stops. This thing did fly back and it hit me in the chest. So be, again, very cautious under tension here, but it looks like the safety feature does work very nicely. Again, as long as it's clipped appropriately to your body. Now, if you're all through for the day, let me show you how easy this is to collapse down. What we want to do is obviously turn off the power, unplug the cord. If it's going to stretch that too much, we'll just kick that off to the side for now. And then we have a couple little knobs on either side of the treadmill. These are going to basically just unscrew in the counterclockwise fashion, as well as one here on this side. And once those are unscrewed just a little bit, as you can see, this just folds down nice and easily. And then it's in this nice flattened position, allowing us to put it underneath a bed. Or again, you can use the wheels on the bottom. There's a couple of little wheels down here you can see on either side, and that allows you to roll things into place. You can see that we can just store it over here in this corner, straight up against the wall. Do be a little bit careful about this. This is a heavy object. So if you're storing it in this upright position, make sure there's some sort of safety. You don't want kids running around here banging into this and having it falling on them. That'd be the only thing I would really worry about. But look again in this vertical, really easily sets up into a corner. There you go, friends. That's a Redliro walking treadmill, again with a nice stand, some safety features built in. I think this is a great option for people that don't have a ton of space for those really, really big treadmills. I think it works up to a decent speed where you can get a really nice, good heart rate going. And I think it's gonna work out great for our mother-in-law here in her TV room. Just not a lot of space. It'll help her get some exercise while she's watching her favorite TV shows. You can find this right here on Amazon. If this has helped, friends, hit that thumbs up button, and then stay tuned. We do a bunch of these type of product reviews to give things a test, check them out, help you in your shopping experience. We'll see you again on the next one.